So this is an insulated base. So we don't put hundreds of cubic of concrete in the ground. What we do is we level the ground off, build it up with recycled aggregates. And on top of that, we have insulation, which is an XPS, an insulation which is a high density foam. Within that, we have a DPM, that's a damp-proof membrane. This is also a gas membrane, which prevents any contaminants coming up through the ground and entering the house. And on top of that, we have a simple steel frame construction ready for concrete. So this concrete is the only concrete that we use in the construction. And as it's sitting on top of an insulation round underneath, this concrete now becomes a thermal mass. This thermal mass actually absorbs and holds energy. And then as the temperature drops within the house, this energy is released and help to keep it to a constant temperature within the environment. So here in our mini Pure house, we have this void. This void's very similar to what's going on our houses near Leeds. So what we've got is we've got nearly 300 mil of depth here, which we're putting a mineral wall. This mineral wall is very similar to what's going on site. Now when we put this in, this is cut to size to prevent any gaps. 300 mil nearly of depth here. That's 3 times the amount of insulation to which you have on a traditional build. And this is what keeps your house warm.